Hello and Happy New Year's. This is Kurt with Friendly DevOps, and I'm not one for making New Year's resolutions, but this video is going to be a bit different than the usual videos that I make, but it will still be on topic. And so at the beginning of this year, I decided that I needed to up my level in programming. So I decided I was going to buy several programming related books. So here's the list of my books that I'm going to read. I'm going to present them in the order that I will be reading them. So starting with Structures and Interpretation of Computer Programs. This one is pretty much a entry level computer programming book that was used to teach programming for 40 years now. Um, I've actually just completed this book. Um, wasn't for me in many respects. There's a lot of concepts in here that were great to learn, but the book itself has a lot of examples that aren't practical, in my opinion. I guess it's because it's just trying to teach concepts rather than practical programming. So uh, happy to finish this one. Now it's going to be on to the next. Crafting Interpreters. This is the book that I probably hope that I'm going to gravitate to the most because I really want to learn how to understand under the hood of any programming language and the compilers and interpreters. So I'm going to have a project to put this towards. Obviously, it'd be an interpreter, but I won't share what it is until it's ready for demonstration. But there we go. Operating systems, three easy pieces. This is well regarded and highly recommended. I got this book because I really want to understand the operating system that I work under. Um, I'm very much a Linux nerd, love it, use it on all my systems, but I don't understand it to the level that I want to, the complexities therein. So this is what I'll be using. I really want to start learning about memory allocation, pages, and such. So this is hopefully going to teach me that. Computer systems, a programmer's perspective. This is essentially the same thing, but you know, you never can read too much about operating systems and their underlying architecture. So why not double up? And then database internals. Yeah, so with this book, I want to learn as much as I can about databases. We all have to work with databases in our applications, what makes them tick. And personally, right now, I'm managing several databases for my employment. So it's good to know as much as I can about them. And maybe it'll give me some insights that I previously lacked. Hands-on network programming with C. Well, there's two reasons I got this. One is I want to understand not networking because I have a decent enough understanding of it, but how to write applications that directly interface with networks. How to write a program that will listen to a port and exchange messages and packets and the like and send packets from scratch. And hopefully that'll teach me this. And it's in C, which is a language that I'm learning. Love it all the way to the core, warts and all. Yes, I'm going to shoot myself in the foot, as they say, but why not? Oh. Designing data intensive applications. This book, I hope, will bring together all the knowledge I will have learned from all the previous books I have shown up till now, because this is the point. And so I hope that all the knowledge I learned about databases and operating systems will apply to all the issues that are brought up in this book. Building Microservices is a book I hope will show me the perspective of what a developer needs to view or think about when actually writing code for a microservice. And it'll just hopefully give me a better perspective on the issues that might plague me in the future. Um, I'm not sure if it's going to go through just the deployment portions or what, but uh, you know, the more knowledge you have, the better, of course. And here, the last book, Designing Distributed Systems. Again, this is just hopefully going over most stuff that I already know, but maybe it'll give me some insights on things that I have yet to encounter or things that I might not have a perspective on at the moment. So there you go. Those are all the books that I'm using to educate myself further on my profession and getting better at programming and understanding the underlying concept of computers and operating systems. I hope you enjoyed this video. So until next time, take care.